morning again. I believe it is day 9. This is Lincoln City, Oregon. I'm on the coast. So the plan for today, again, I don't have a route planned. I'm just heading south. I'm trying to decide between taking inland, like side trips inland on some of these canyon roads up here, or coastal mountain range roads, whatever you want to call them. I don't know what they're called. And just going south. I haven't quite made up my mind. Just north of San Francisco, going in towards Redding, there's a couple of good roads. They look really nice, so I may do that today. Might finish off the day that way, just taking those. I think it's going to be slow going on the coast, on the 101. So it should give me about 5 hours to get to, is it called Crescent City maybe? I think that's what it's called, Crescent City, and then go inland from there towards Redding on the, I can't remember, 36 is one of them, I believe. The other one is like 199 or 299 or something like that. So take one of those in and take one of them back out. So we'll see how long the day gets by the time I get there, and then I'll go for it. But I don't know, but every time I come to the coast, at least in this area, it's always foggy. I think there's been one day that I can remember that I've been down here in the past. That was a beautiful sunny day. And I wasn't even on a bike, we were traveling in our car. But already today is better than yesterday. It's not as wet. It's not as much actual low-hanging like fog. Oh, I do love a good tunnel. Woohoo! There are a few things in life that make me happier than that sound. Oh yeah.
I wrote this up where you just take care of it through the mail, but we're going quite fast.
Yeah, there you go. First speeding ticket in the USA. I'm just cruising through Reedsport, and I stopped back there for something to drink. I was talking to this older couple. They must be in their 60s, who are on a Harley, pulling a trailer from Indiana. I checked on the map and it's like 2,300 miles, no miles, yeah, 2,300 miles, not kilometers, from Indiana to here. That's pretty serious. That's about what I've done so far on my own trip. But I'm not in my 60s. Although I'm getting there. Anyway, this older couple there came over and talked to me. I guess they're getting pretty cold riding along the coast here. It's what, 16 to 18 degrees, which doesn't sound bad, but with this cloud cover and the fog, there's so much humidity that it just feels a lot colder than it is, I guess. Because I've been feeling cold too. I had to stop and put on my heated vest. Yeah, and I've still got a good 5 some hours to go, and it's already 1 o'clock. Just dragging my feet lately. Not making very good time. Oh, look at this. First time today we got blue skies. Warm, fuzzy feelings. Better stop and get a picture since we actually got a view with no smoke and no fog. place is called Crescent City. I've been making pretty poor time coming down the coastal highway here. A little disappointing. I was hoping to make San Francisco today, but that's not gonna happen. I've rolled into Eureka, and I'm gonna stay here tonight. Heading further south tomorrow, and turned into a long day. Yeah, it's definitely taken more time than I would have thought to come down the coast. Maybe I'm just ignorant or naive, I guess. Naive to think that I could get to San Francisco today. That's not the case anyway, staying here. Yeah, I'll be honest, this town kind of looks like a dump. Oh, that pretty much wraps up today, I guess. Not really that exciting. Hopefully better roads tomorrow. We'll see.